Today we will be unboxing my OnePlus 6T that has just arrived from Amazon. So without any further delay, let's get started. So here are bills and this is the box. Here it is saying that OnePlus 6T A6010. I'm gonna open this box. So here it is. As you can see, here is the inbuilt fingerprint sensor, and it reads, to maximize the performance of our in-display fingerprint sensor, we recommend using screen protection from OnePlus and our official partners. So here we have a charger, a dash charger, a word from Pete invitation letter, and the OnePlus. It looks very good in hand, and this is the mirror black version. You can see there is no fingerprint sensor at the back, it is inbuilt. We will just remove it. So here is our phone. It feels very good. Here in box we have a user manual, dash charger, USB Type-C connector, and USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack connector. This phone has 3700 mAh battery, so it's gonna have a good battery life. Oh yeah, we missed here. We have a back cover as well, typical silicone back cover. So that's it. So this was all in the box. So let me know what you feel about OnePlus 6T, and if you want a complete review of this phone, go follow Tech Twins channel on YouTube. Shout out to Tech Twins. They are gonna give this complete review of this phone after using it for maybe 5 days. So subscribe, like and share if you like this video. Thanks. Signing off, Tushar.